Morning class, this is Manish Kumar Gupta, your math teacher. In this video, we are going to understand what are multiples. In this video, we are going to understand what are multiples. A multiple, a multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiply it by a natural number. Again, you can see in this topic we are going to understand what are multiples. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiply it by a natural number. We shall take some examples so that it can be clear. Now 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 13, 18, 20, 25 and 50. Now I have taken some examples how to find out multiples. Suppose that 4 multiplied by 1, 4 1 ja 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 4 2 ja 8, 4 multiplied by 3, 4 3 ja 12. So if we have taken any number and multiply it by another any number, we can find out the multiples. So multiples of 4 are 4, 8 and 12. Now multiples of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36 and so on. We can find out as many as we want. So these are the called multiples of the given number. Now finding out multiples of 8. Just read the tables. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56 and so on. These are the multiples of 8. Now multiples of 10 are 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30, 10 4 ja 40, 10 5 ja 50, 10 6 ja 60, 10 7 ja 70 and so on. It will continue. Multiples of 15 are 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75 and continue. In the same way 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, 13 4 ja 52 and so on. In the same way 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54, 18 4 ja 72 and so on. In the same manner finding the multiples of 20 are 21 ja 20, 22 ja 40, 23 ja 60, 24 ja 80. After that multiples of 25 are 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. Multiples of 50 are 50, 100, 150, 200 etc. Now what we have learned here? We have learned here to obtain multiples of any number. To obtain multiples of any number, just multiply the given numbers so that we can have the numbers of multiples. Multiples are many in numbers. It is infinite, means it can continue till we have to multiply. There are no limit for the multiples. Now we will know some few things about the properties of multiples. Now properties of multiples. I have written here property number 1. What is every multiple of a number? Listen very carefully. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. I will take some example, then you can understand it easily. I have taken some example. You can pick up any of the numbers. Now multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Multiples of 7 are 7, 14. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Multiples of 9s are 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. You can see. Now after writing all the multiples, we come to the property again. Now see this property. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. I highlighted this, greater than or equal to. First come here equal to. Okay, so you can see 3 has also multiple of 3, 7 has 7, 5 has 5, 8, 9 and 10. You can see no multiples are less than these given numbers. No multiples, these are the multiples of that given number, but they are equal to 3, 7, 5, 8, 9, 10. They are equal, they are not less than the given number. So you understood it. Every multiple of a number is or greater than or equal to. So I had explained you equal to, and you can see all the other multiples are greater. Suppose that 6, 9, 12 and 15 are the multiples of 3, and these numbers are greater from 3. In the same way, multiples of 7 are 14, 20, 28, 35 and all these are greater than 7. In the same way, take the example of 5. These are the multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Remember, all the multiples are greater than 5. In the same way, 16, 24, 32, 40 are the multiples of 18, and all these are greater than 8. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and these are greater than the given number. In the same way, 10 also has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 and so on. But remember, all the multiples are greater than 10, and no multiples are smaller than the given number. Suppose that if we have taken 10, so multiple cannot be less than 10, multiple cannot be less than 9, multiples cannot be less than 8, multiples cannot be less than 5, multiples cannot less than 7, multiples cannot less than 3. Now after this property, we come to the another property. What is property number 2? Now read carefully and watch it. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself, means I have taken some number I have taken some number. Multiples of 4 are 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. Multiples of 5 are 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Multiples of 6 are 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. Multiples of 7 are 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. Multiples of 8 are 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Multiples of 9 are 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. Now come again to the property every number is a multiple of itself. You can see 4 4 is also have multiple 4, 5 has multiples of 5, 6 has multiple of 6, 7 has multiple of 7, 8 has multiple of 8, and 9 has multiple of 9. Understood? For your convenient I have taken this way, otherwise it can be also written here. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5, 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6, 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7, 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8, and 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. So what do we have learned? We had learned if we have to obtain multiples of any number, we have to multiply by a natural number. So you can see 4 1 ja 4, 5 1 ja 5, 6 1 ja 6, 7 1 ja 7, 8 1 ja 8, 9 1 ja 9, and we can take any of the number like this way. So multiples of 4 is 4, multiple of 5 is 5, multiple of 6 is 6, multiple of 7 is 7, multiple of 8 is 8, multiple of 9 is 9. So according to this property, every number is a multiple of itself. So here we understood every multiple is a number of itself. I hope you have now in this property we will understand the number of multiples of number is infinite. Infinite means unlimited. So I have taken one example, 5. If we have to find out multiples of 5 are 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, and 5 10 ja 50, and 5 multiplied by 100 is 500. So as the rule we can say that if we have taken any of the number and we want to multiply the number, suppose that 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 it is 12. So again we have getting a multiples of 5. So 125 is also the multiple of 5. Taking some another number, suppose that we have to find out the multiples of 5. Now multiply the given number, 5 1 ja 5, number of 0 added, so you can see it become 5000. So there are no limit. So there are no limit to find out the multiples. Any of the number we multiply the given number, we will have another number. 5 1 ja 5 and add number of zeros. So you can see when we multiply the 5 by other number, again we have got multiples of 5. So we can easily say that the number of multiples are infinite. Means as we multiply the number, we will get the multiple. So that cannot be count. Okay student, thank you very much.